Garage door stuck? Noisy? Won't open or close? A broken door isn't just a hassle, it's a safety risk and a security concern. At A1 Garage Door Repair, we're your friendly, local experts. We treat your home like our own and fix it right the first time. We believe in fast, honest repairs, no gimmicks, no unnecessary upsells. We inspect, explain, give you a clear quote, and repair your door the same day whenever possible. Springs, openers, cables, you name it, we fix it. Whether you live on Capitol Hill in Salt Lake, West Valley City, Provo, West Jordan, Orem, Sandy, South Jordan, Lehi, Taylorsville, Murray, Draper, or anywhere along the Wasatch Front in Salt Lake and Utah counties, A1 Garage Door is here to help you. Waiting can turn a small issue into a big, expensive problem. Call A1 Garage Door Repair today at 801-341-9925. Fast, friendly, reliable. We'll have your garage door working like new.